Welcome back to What's New in OCI. Let's kick off the year with the new VMware Cloud Director, available on OCI VMware Cloud Solution. Part of a multi-cloud strategy, VMware Cloud Director greatly simplifies operating a multi-tenant software-defined data center. It lets you configure a single pane of glass across multiple cloud providers and on-premise deployments. Configure and provision CPU, memory, storage, and networking resources for different lines of business and departments without lengthy custom automation. The tech preview for VMware Cloud Director is available now. Another recent release is the AI Document Understanding Service. It may sound familiar to you as part of the Vision service, but we've spun it off to add more functionalities and capabilities. Recognize and extract text, key value pairs, and even tables from documents like PDFs, using pre-built AI models, and automate previously tedious business tasks through APIs and command line tools. There are tons of different use cases for the Document Understanding Service, so make sure to sign up for an OCI trial to get started. That's it for me. I'll hand it over to you, Shig.
Thanks, Michelle, and Happy New Year, everyone. This month, I'm excited to update you on a couple of services we announced at CloudWorld. The first is the OCI Queue service, which provides a serverless, high-performance messaging solution for asynchronous inter-process communication. It has an intuitive UI to set up and manage queues, and has support for Terraform as well as REST APIs and SDKs for multiple languages, including Java and Python. So if you have applications and services that need to be decoupled or event-driven, you should check out this new managed service. The service is priced by API calls, and the first 1 million calls per month is free. It's available now in all OCI commercial regions and will be available in non-commercial regions real soon. Also available now is OCI Container Instances. This is a serverless compute service that enables you to instantly run containers without managing any servers. We already have Oracle Container Engine for Kubernetes, which is a managed service to run containers at scale. Sometimes you want a simple way to run an application without the overhead of provisioning a VM, installing a container runtime, and managing all of that infrastructure. With OCI Container Instances, you just provide the container image and let OCI manage the rest. Quick and easy. And this serverless experience comes at no extra cost. You only pay for the CPU and memory resources at the same price as a regular OCI compute instance for the shape you select. So we hope you'll try this new service for your containerized applications. Hey, Julian. What else do we have for our viewers this month?
Thanks, Shig. And to conclude this list, let me introduce you to a new partner, Falkonry. Falkonry is particularly interesting as it provides monitoring and predictive maintenance services for large factories and very isolated locations. It's already a supplier for the US Air Force and the Navy, and Falkonry is leveraging our OCI Roving Edge offline module, with which you can get OCI services in a box for remote and disconnected locations. Then, at last, for this year, we're announcing a new region as Chicago is now available in OCI. We're finishing 2022 with 41 regions. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in the name of the whole OCI product marketing team, we wish you a very happy New Year 2023.